Hi, good morning. So today I am doing a big batch canning day. We'll see how far I get because I'm not feeling very good today, but I have some things that I need to pressure can and water bath can just to try to get things on my shelf and get things out of the freezer and refrigerator. I'm tired. So I have some beans I'm canning, some chickpeas. I have some peppers that I kind of keep slowly bringing in from the garden that I'm just gonna put like a banana pepper brine over for pickled peppers. I'm trying to get barbecue sauce on the thing. I do have tomatoes in the freezer, but I don't even know honestly if I'm gonna get to that today, but we will try. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. Yeah, just kind of trying to get a few things done today. This is not a how-to video. I am kind of testing some recipes, I guess you could say. So if I like them, I'll end up sharing them with you. But so not a how-to, just to kind of follow along with me if you want. And we're going to try to get some canning done. We'll see how far I get because I'm not feeling good right now. But first, I'm going to make myself, I'm going to drink water, and then I'm going to make myself a cup of decaf coffee because I'm feeling really tired, getting way later than a start than I want. So let's do this. So when it comes to basic, just pressure canning, basic items at least, like today I'll be pressure canning beans and then some turkey meat as well. I usually follow the instructions out of my All-American pressure canner, and I just wanted to show you, I'm hoping to get them in the same canner. We'll see if I have enough room, but so for like chicken, I'm doing the hot pack without bones for pint size. It's 75 minutes, and if you flip over to the beans, which I lost my spot, dang it. Oh, here we go. Beans for hot pack pints, 75 minutes. So same time. So I can put those in the same canner, which is really, really nice to try to alleviate some time. But my beans alone might take my whole canner up. So we'll see. Okay, so I have my garbanzo beans here, or chickpeas, or whatever you want to call them. And I just had a little bit left in my cupboard, so I wanted to can them up because I do make hummus quite a bit, and I have been out. It's nice to just have an easy jar of canned chickpeas on hand for easy hummus or other things. So this is a half cup measurement, and I'm just going to do 2 scoops in each. They do kind of expand once you get them in there. And you can do salt if you want to. I like to leave mine unsalted because I like to be able to salt as I do recipes. Some people might not like that though. So I don't even know how much this was to start with, honestly. But it looks like it gave me 6 jars. So I'm gonna put hot boiling water over these lids, wipe the rims, lids, rings, and get them in the canner, and then we're gonna move on to our next beans. So these are the Great Northern white beans. And I've actually never canned these besides in like baked beans, but I am gonna be canning them plain today to be able to like throw in soups and whatever else I want to make with beans. This was 2 cups of beans, dried beans to start out with, I believe. So at least this will get a little bit on my shelf. I need to can up more black beans and more pinto beans before baby comes. So I'm just hoping I can get this all done. Okay, no. So this didn't get me very far. This is what pregnancy brain does. Doesn't get you thinking very well. I did soak all these overnight for about, actually they're probably soaking for about 24 hours. Oh, and on the garbanzo beans, I did not shell them or anything, or like take the little papery skin off. That does not bother me. If that bothers you, you can take the time to do it, but I do not do it. Okay, and we're supposed to leave an inch headspace. Okay, so for the rest of the canner, I can get about 4 more of the wide mouth, I think. So I'm gonna do my turkey in there because they go for the same amount of time. Okay, so this is honestly the first time I've ever done this before. I've seen a lot of people, you can raw pack or hot pack chicken or turkey or any type of meat. And I have never pre-cooked my turkey before and stuffed it in my jars and canned it. I decided to do it this way because A, you can really pull off about 95% of the meat off the whole bird. Whereas if you raw pack it, you're kind of cutting, and I'm honestly not an expert of cutting up birds raw, but I feel like you waste a lot of meat because there's all those tendons that you have to work around, and it's just really annoying. So I'm excited to try it this way. I'm just doing meat, water, and it's going in the canner. And salt is optional. Okay, there it is, all in the jars, and we are gonna go in the canner. Okay, I'm gonna get my lid on, and it's gonna go for 75 minutes once it comes up to pressure. And I'm kind of experimenting on the pre-cooked chicken in the canning jars. I really like the raw pack method for like, I just don't know the consistency that this comes out at. Is it the same consistency as if you do the raw pack method for turkey or chicken? I just really like using these for like quick, easy lunches or dinners for like chicken salad or making taquitos or something, putting in things. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have experience doing it both ways. Yeah, I'm just really interested on how this is gonna turn out because I've never done the pre-cooked method before. So tell me which one you guys like better if you have experience doing both. So, and sorry if I sound out of breath. It's taking a lot out of me to do projects these days, so let's keep going. Okay, so since I am experimenting, I decided I am gonna put this in the freezer. This will be gone in like the next month or two with baby coming, so we will eat this up probably pretty quickly because we like having pre-made things on hand. Yay. Okay, so I got my stuff in the pressure canner, and I got a full canner load with garbanzo beans, great northern white beans, and some turkey that's in there. So that's exciting. I don't think I have the energy to do a second pressure canning batch today, but we are gonna be doing some water bath canning. So let's get started on that. I quickly got that in the canner just to get it going, and I haven't made my decaf coffee yet. I've been drinking water. So I'm gonna make my coffee really fast, and then we're gonna start on the other stuff. I really do need to get some latex gloves because these are kind of hot peppers. But we're just going to start chopping. And I'm gonna be putting these just straight in the jar and then putting the hot brine over them. So eventually I wanna make some more cowboy candy probably with these peppers because these are the only peppers in my garden. this year. Since I'm kind of getting small batches in at a time, I figured I would just do a simple brine. Still kind of a sweet brine, but I want it to be more like banana peppers. So I am kind of experimenting on this recipe. Okay, so I got a small bowl here. I'm gonna go out to the garden, see if I can get just a few more peppers. I really don't want to chop, but I'm just gonna see if I can, that one jar could use a few more, and I'm gonna see if I can at least get one more jar maybe. So let's go out there. Phew, it is hot outside already. It's only 10 o'clock. I just created more work for myself. So this will be nice. I'm gonna power through, get these chopped up. And then I have so much, this was only from 3 plants and I didn't even pick them all. So I think I'll definitely have enough for cowboy candy. But I'm not gonna do that today because I am freakishly tired. That wore me out. But let's get these chopped up and get them in the, I'll bring you back when they're in the jars. Okay, so from that harvest, I was able to get 5 more jars. I'm glad I powered through and did that because it gives me a few more on my shelf and less for me to process later. I literally just went onto Amazon and bought food safe gloves. I will not be processing any more peppers until I get some gloves because my fingers are on fire. So the brine that we're gonna be putting over is like kind of like a banana pepper brine. I know these aren't banana peppers, but I kind of want them to be like that for like on sandwiches and stuff. So I'm gonna get that going. Yes, and I'm going to wait till the gloves come to process the rest of my peppers because wowzers, my fingers are on fire. I'm doing everything I possibly can to not touch my face because you tend to always touch your face when you process peppers for some reason. Okay, let's get the brine going. Yikes, I am sweating. I'm so hot. We got a lot going on. I have quite the mess that I need to clean up now. I am going to make another batch of the barbecue sauce. I didn't realize, it's been a while since I made it, probably like a year. So I couldn't remember if I had doubled it. I definitely doubled it if you want to can it to get any amount. I only got 3.5 pints. I have about 18 minutes left on my pressure canner. And let's just keep going. Okay, so I am now finished. I canned up that second batch of barbecue sauce. I was gonna make some pizza sauce. I have been able to pick about 4 gallon size bags of the Italian Roma tomatoes that I have, and I've been able to fill them. Those are the only tomatoes that I have been getting this year. So, but I think I'm gonna stop because I have my sister coming in town tomorrow and I need to clean my house and my feet really hurt. I need to take a break. We were able to can quite a bit today. So, and we finished before 1 o'clock, so that's awesome. I like doing batches of canning like this to where you can like get stuff in the same canner if possible, especially when you're kind of small batch canning. Like, it's nice to be able to just stick them all in the same canner and get full canner loads. We canned garbanzo beans, the white Great Northern beans, turkey, barbecue sauce, and some peppers. Thanks for hanging out with me, even though this was kind of a day in the kitchen with me. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.